This is New York, but not as you've ever seen it before. The year is 1910, and the technology is about to bring the past to life. Watch as photographs over a century-old breathe again. Over 2 million people called this city home. The streets buzzed with 40,000 horse-drawn carriages daily. But look closer. These frozen moments are about to move. Fifth Avenue and Broadway. Carriages racing alongside the first cars. Look at those faces, each one chasing an American dream. The city didn't sleep then, either. Watch the crowds flow like rivers through these bustling streets. The real heart of New York beat in the Lower East Side. Immigrant children turned crowded streets into playgrounds. Parents worked long days in cramped tenements. But their hopes? Limitless. This is where America was built, one family at a time. Then something changed. Thousands of garment workers, many of them women, took to these streets demanding dignity, fair pay, safer conditions. Their voices echoed across the city. A movement was rising, and New York was listening. Meanwhile, crowds looked up in wonder. At Belmont Park, aviation pioneers turned the impossible into real flight. New Yorkers weren't just building up, they were learning to fly. And in Manhattan's heart, Pennsylvania Station rose in grandeur. They called it the Cathedral of Transportation. Millions of passengers would pass through its vast halls. This wasn't just a station, it was a gateway to the future. A century has passed. The faces changed, but the energy, still electric. The dreams, still alive. These weren't just photographs. They were promises of what America could become. Which era should we resurrect next? Drop your suggestions below, hit subscribe, and let's keep bringing history to life.